welcome to the Endodontics series. I am Dr. Diana and I'm going to be your guide throughout this process of learning the Endodontics 101. So, we're going to start the first class with pulp biology and diagnosis. You're going to see this a lot throughout all of my videos that do not forget brain. It's going to be usually next to the frequently asked questions that you're going to find during your exam. So everything I'm going to say is important, but the things that are next to the brain are the most important things that you need to memorize, okay? So that being said, we're going to start with the basics, like what kind of cells can you find in the pulp? And the most important ones are going to be the fibroblasts that secrete connective tissue